How to register for HDFC FASTag? First of all, open Google and search for HDFC FASTag in the search bar. Next, click on the link for HDFC Bank titled Buy FASTag Online. After that, click on Apply Now. Then enter your registered mobile number linked with your HDFC Bank account. If your number is not linked, don't worry, you can still proceed. Next, enter your PAN card details for verification. You will receive an OTP on a registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and confirm to continue. Once logged in, select the bank account linked with HDFC for payment. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you want to use for purchasing the FASTag. Then, fill in your basic details like name, address, mobile number, and email. Most of these details will be filled automatically. Now, it's time to enter your vehicle details, your vehicle number, and vehicle class. Click Fetch Details so the system can verify your vehicle information. Select the correct vehicle type such as car, jeep, or truck, then click Confirm. Your details will be matched in the back end. You will be asked to review your personal information and proceed to payment. The payment includes a small deposit and insurance charges. You can pay via net banking, cards, UPI, or wallet. After payment, you will receive an application number and the confirmation of your FASTag order. And that's it. Now you know how to register for HDFC FASTag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.